Well, sometimes you just gotta throw your hands up and say, if it's gonna get worse, it's gonna get worse. What's up, everybody? It's me, Tommy, again. And as soon as I get my van shipped to New Orleans, where I have crash space, now we have a Cat 4 coming towards us. Cat 4 hurricane. It's a shame because I literally could travel anywhere if my van was working. And I could crash anywhere. Sleep in my van in a safe area. Right now, though, just crashing in a little tiny apartment. And I'm gonna stack up on beers at the Walgreens and some other things like cigarettes. Stuff to get me through the time of period that we don't have power. And it's gonna be hot with air, no air conditioning if we lose power. But on the plus side, I have a propane grill and I have power in my van and I can power certain things. So I will survive if the water levels don't get high. Understand, if I don't do videos in a couple days, it's probably not because I'm unable to, it's probably because there's too many things to happen at that time. I'll have to conserve energy because we won't have much sunlight for my solar to charge. So then, because we'll have clouds over, while the storm is passing over. I've heard some of my friends actually are on their way to evacuate. I didn't get any invitation to evacuate, but I'm not sure if I should because the storm might not hit us directly. It might go up towards Baton Rouge. In that case, then I'm safer down here. So I got my hurricane supplies. 18-pack of beer, a pint of vodka, and some mixers and cigarettes. I heard that from people online who are evacuating, the gas stations in the area are now out of regular unleaded gas. It's all premium gas. So that kind of sucks if I had to leave right now with my 35-gallon tank. So there's a lot of other press conferences going on about the hurricane. There's also this graphic here that I got from WWL News, and there's also this warning that I received just a little while ago on my phone. But as you can see, I bought stuff to make me comfortable during the hurricane or the power outage. I will have power when the rain subsides, even though it's out throughout the city, because I have power in the van. I'm also going to fill up a gallon water jug, so I do have water in the house that I'm staying at right now during the hurricane. But it just sucks that I'm not able to work right now because of the weather. So hopefully next weekend I'll be able to work if we overcome this hurricane. But until that time, I'll try to put out videos as much as I can. Remember, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to comment, go ahead and comment. And of course, if you're curious on what's inside my van, it's below this video. Also, there's a link to my Patreon page, which I'll try to update throughout this time. Thank you very much and have a great day out there.